Hey, dear Rise Upper, how are you today? By the way, I would love to know where are you tuning in, so comment below. And today we're going to do a bit different video because I got a lot of questions lately about what equipment do I use? Do I need to buy a DSLR camera? Do I need a fancy microphone? Do I need this new high-tech thing just, to get started? So I'm here to say, no, you don't need some fancy tech to just start it. If you're doing lives, if that's what you want to start, if you want to start YouTube videos, it doesn't matter. Instagram, whatever it is, IGTV, whatever it is that you want to start, you don't need any fancy tech. Now, I'm going to share with you today because I bought the new iPhone 11, and I want also to show you, if you want to upgrade your iPhone, if you have an iPhone or you're thinking about moving to iPhone, that you will also see the difference quality. Right now I'm shooting with my iPhone 7 Plus, so you can see the quality right here from the rear camera and not from the back one. So I will do a video that you can see both of the qualities and decide if you want to invest in iPhone 11 if you want to start new videos. But again, you don't need that fancy tech. You can start right now with simple, like you see, I'm using the iPhone 7 that back 4 years ago, 4.5, something like that, years ago. I'm still using that as my main camera. And I'm using the rear camera, not even the back camera. So you can see the quality is okay. Yeah, it's not the best. It's not DSLR, right? But it's a good one. And you can start using what you have. You don't need to wait. What you're doing right now is procrastinating. Okay, and I will get a little about that. And then I will go to the unboxing for the iPhone 11 that you can see also the difference quality. But what you're doing right now, saying I need the best tech, I need a new camera, I need the best microphone, and so much bullshit that you're feeding yourself, that is procrastination. You want everything to be perfect, but instead you're waiting and waiting and waiting, and what happened? Let's say you wait a month. That time will come back? Hell no! Just do, because the time that you're waiting it for the right moment, for the perfect moment to start, has gone. The best time is now, not tomorrow, not in a week, not in 2 weeks, not in a month. Now, think about it this way. Right now we are in all that COVID-19, right? So do you want to go back and say to yourself, shit, I didn't use that time? Instead, I waited for the best camera, for the best microphone, that I will have the money to buy it. No, use what you already have. Think about that time. That time will never come back. Okay? Money comes. Money always comes. When you go and spend some money on a brand new TV, so what happened? You waste a lot of time searching for the best TV, see what works for you, what will fit in your living room, and so many aspects that is not relevant to your life. And then that time will not come back. The money that you put on the TV, on the brand new TV, will come back. The time that you spent won't. So do you want to go back in time and think, I didn't use that time of COVID-19 to start because I waited for the best camera, for the best microphone, for the best equipment? No, I'm sure you don't want to. So start with what you have, and come on, don't wait up. So I want to know, what is the action that you're going to take, and not keeping on procrastinating on and on and on. Let's get it done. Let's get each other accountable. So write down in the comment below, what is the action that you're going to take now? Not waiting for the fancy tech anymore, because as you can see, I'm using an iPhone 7 Plus here. See the quality, it's okay. It's not the greatest, but it's okay. Even if you're doing a course, that's a-okay. You start with what you have and upgrade along the way. Does that make sense? If it does, I would love to hear about it, so comment below. Makes sense, that you know it makes sense to you. Now let's go to the unboxing! Yeah! Okay, so let's go to the unboxing. So exciting! Now before I go to the unboxing, I want to show you something. And that's the tripod I'm using. As you can see, nothing fancy, just something that do the job. And actually, I don't need to upgrade from that, because if that works, that's okay. You don't need to start big. Start small and grow. So, like you see, again, normal tripod. Buy something that works for you. So, let's go to the unboxing. Yeah. Dum 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 bum 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 bum. So I just love the color. It's so vibrant, and look at that. Look at that. That's just amazing. Bum bum bum. So and synced it in that it will be much more faster to show you what's going on. Okay, so going to open up real quick with my face. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, and that's the iPhone. Boom, boom. Yeah. Working well. By the way, if you love games and you love to have good habits, Habitica, that's the way to go. Great thing to track your habits, and also kind in a fun way of gaming. So you will get the whole experience. So I love that. That's amazing app to track your habits. So now let's go to the camera, to the real thing. So exciting. And you also see the difference of the microphone and the camera, so you can judge yourself. Right now it's the back camera, so you can actually see the difference in the back and the rear, and decide yourself if that's a good thing that you want right now. Okay, so I'm filming right now from the iPhone 11, and as you can see, also there's a wider angle here, so it catches more of where you are. So that's amazing feature that I love. So as you can see, there is a huge difference, especially with the lighting. You can actually feel the vibrant color inside the film, and that it's more realistic and less kind of darkish, if you will. So that's right now the rear camera, so you can see the differences. I'm also going to go to the back camera so you can see all the differences inside. Let's go to it. So now I'm shooting the old iPhone, the iPhone 7 Plus. So as you can see already, like I said, huge when it comes to the colors and actually how can you see it more clearly. By the way, as you can see, do or do not do, there is no try. The great Yoda! I just love Star Wars. Anyway, as you can see, the differences I wanted to show you on the iPhone, so you can actually see from here that I shoot the iPhone 11 and now I'm shooting the iPhone 7, so you can actually see the difference. So I would love to hear what's your thoughts. I'm going back to the rear camera, so let's wait 1 second. Okay, we're back. Awesome. So I would love to hear your opinions on the iPhone 11, if that's something that you want to invest in, if you're going to do more lives, more YouTube videos, IGTV, whatever it is that you want to focus on. And also see the difference in the microphone. I noticed a huge one because you can hear me more clearly than the iPhone 7, and that makes sense. That's a huge gap. So if you want to upgrade to new thing, as you can see, again, you don't need to buy this new fancy tech, okay? If you gotta use what you got. So if you have iPhone 7, iPhone 6, Android, Samsung 6, 7, 8, S20, S10, whatever, it doesn't matter, okay? Use what you already have. Don't go and search for the new thing. Okay, the new shiny object. Go and use what you already have. Don't wait for something. I shoot over than a year almost 2 years that I shoot my videos just with the iPhone 7 Plus. Right? You don't need to upgrade. Use what you got in your arsenal. Don't wait up. Don't let procrastination win. Just go and do it. So I will love to hear your thoughts. What is it that are you going to invest in iPhone 11, or you have what already you do have, and if you're going to use it? I would love to hear about it. So comment below, and I will see you next time. That was the first time that I did a review of unboxing of something. So we'd love to hear your comments about it. What do you think? Is it worth the differences if you are going to invest in a new thing? But again, and I can't stress it enough, use what you already have. Please don't procrastinate, because that time you're wasting will never come back. You don't want to go a year from now and think, why I haven't done it before? Use it. Use what you have, okay? So, what is the action that you're going to do right now, and what do you think on that unboxing? I would love to hear, so comment below. And if you like this kind of unboxing, I'm not going to do it a lot, so from time to time, if you want to know more on unboxing like that, just hit me hit the like button, that I know that you like more of it. And if you like my videos, you love what you see, help me grow more and give you more quality content by just subscribing to the channel and hit the little notification bell to get the videos that are coming right on the spot. So, and share it with friends, help that channel grow. I will love that, because you know my mission is to impact millions of people's life. So that is my mission. I want to inspire people to actually get and be the fearless leader that they are meant to be, and an action taker. So let's do it together. Let's grow. Let's rise up to the next level, and have an amazing and productive day. And I really appreciate you guys for being here. Invest your time with me today. Have an amazing and productive day. I will see you next time. Have a great one.